Something sure smells good. And it's not the gasoline coming from my bike. Hey there riders, welcome to my channel. I'm Wild Rider, where we normally discuss motorcycle related content. I say normally because a lot of the times, well, some of the time we don't. In fact, it's either me working on a vehicle or whatever, showing you how to do various other things. But this is actually going to be motorcycle related-ish. Looks like we had an accident here. Ooh, motorcycles. Hey there riders, welcome to my channel. I'm Wild Rider, where I ride around Grand Rapids, Michigan on my motorcycle. Grand Rapids, Wyoming, the surrounding boroughs and areas. Ride pretty much in the West Michigan area. And today is comic book day. In fact, I got a few errands in which I got to run today. So it's comic book retrieval. Wow, that's really backed up on Division. I wonder what's going on there. So I got a little skit. I had something that I bought over on Amazon for a project in which I'm going to be doing. And they shipped me the item, and it was supposed to contain 20 items, but it only had 18. In fact, the package was clearly ripped open, and I had gone through the package to look for what I was looking for inside there. Apparently I had to buy 20 of them. Bought 20 of the things, but I could use it. It's no big deal. It's 12 bucks. Who gives a shit, you know? And great. They're gonna get stuck behind the bus. The two main ones in which I wanted to do my first video weren't inside there. It's like, what the hell? So I reached out to Amazon. They shipped me a new package, unopened of course. So I gotta go ship the original package back. Go figure, it's 12 bucks. Why the hell would they want that, you know? Like, I had prepared to do the video on Sunday, but now I gotta wait. Now I had to wait. Like, alright, fine, whatever. Sunday was going to be my day anyway. It was freaking hotter than hell. So it's like, good way for me to be inside. So I had to postpone doing that video. In fact, I had started the original project for the video inside June. This one has been taking me several weeks in order to do. In fact, I started doing it on the 25th of June. Was the original shot of the videos. And of course, item didn't come in when it was supposed to. And of course, when it did come in, well, you know the story. Yeah, we'll continue this after I'm done at gold mine. And if I don't get rear-ended by this pickup truck. Ah, damn. Always gotta kind of watch it here. I got conned out of like 40 bucks from this guy. Wanted me to give him 100 bucks. Like, no, Like, I'm not gonna do that. I'll pay you back. No, you won't. And that was the last time I ever did that for anybody. So I had this whole thing planned out. So now I gotta push it towards this weekend. It part of the video completed, but it is what it is. I think this will be the first time in which I actually do an impersonation or dress up as something else, so. I'm not really, I like watching cosplay, and I love seeing amazing what people do, but I can't really get myself into it. And to think I want to be an actor at one point in time. I forgot they did the patchwork over here. Continuing on, moving on. Well, that storyline, subject, whatever you want to call it. I have a tendency to ramble. Black looks purple or blue or red. Yeah, it looks like they recently did this. Yeah, I didn't realize they had a subway over here. Guys, Chinese? Really? Oh. Something else Chinese. I remember that. There we go. Yeah, so as I was saying, what was I saying? I don't even remember what I was saying now. Damn it, I wish I could remember what I was talking about. I usually have a damn good memory too. Nice and windy. Anyways, yeah, so typically I just go driving around Wyoming, run some errands, talk about what's going on here, various events. Actually can't recall any events going on this month. I could be wrong. I can't remember if bike time's in August or July. I'm gonna have to check it out. Or just post it up here. Yeah, typically we got construction going on over here. Oh. Okay, so that's what the wife said. Going on here over on 36th Street. Just follow where these people are going. Yeah, last time I was down here they were working on the right. Now they're working on the left, but it beats me what the hell they're doing. It just looks like a patch job and new cement, so it could be sewer work because it looks like where they're doing the repairs at was where the grading system was at. Started waking up at 5 o'clock in the morning now. Don't know why, just have been. Been going to bed earlier, waking up at 5. In fact, when the wife goes to bed is what I've been doing, is going to bed. According to her, I haven't been snoring, so that was the main reason why I wish I would sleep downstairs. Last time I was down here in my car, some idiot decided to pull right out in front of me. Like, I don't get people these days. Like, pay attention to the road, get the hell off your phone. In fact, I saw some guy on his phone as he was about ready to enter my work's bathroom. He just stood there in the entranceway on his phone. Like, wow, you're a dick. Oh well. We'll continue this conversation at another time. Hey, look at that. Scooter brother. Where you going, Scooter brother? The shade tree surgeon, I was watching one of his events in which he brought up a fact about Scooter brother. Actually, I watched his video, I think it was today. It was just Wednesdays or whatever.
We are Scooter Brothers! Scooter Brothers!
He brought up the fact that one time
we will go on a journey
we're out driving, heading on home.
Scooter Brother!
And it was like,
Scooter Brother!
oh, what was it?
Where
oh, there's snow
today,
in the road.
Scooter Brother!
No, it was pouring rain.
Come on!
Some
Scooter
guy
brother.
was in the
Let's go, Scooter
scooter.
Brother.
And she's watched me play
down,
Grand
Scooter
Theft Auto.
Brother.
And scene in which Trevor goes on, Scooter brother. They're brothers and scooters. Scooter brothers. Where you going, Scooter brother? Well, I did that line. And she says, into a ditch. I was like, oh, okay. So then I play Grand Theft Auto. And of course, Trevor, I get this cut scene. I morph over to where Trevor's at. And just got it on the big screen TV. And he's saying, where are you going, Scooter brother? And I say, into a ditch, and I ditch the guy on his little faggio scooter. Yes, that's what they call it. I have no idea why. That was a little bit of a disappointment there. Went to go do some editing on the video, and I had thought that it had done it, and it froze in 2 places and didn't capture in between, which is a little odd, but it is what it is. So yeah, hope you liked this video. Go ahead and click that like button. Go ahead and subscribe. Trying to get to about 1,000 subscribers before the end of this year, hopefully. If not, it is what it is. But as always, ride safe, and I'll see you in the next ride.